It's showtime on the couch. You can see it from your house. You can see it from your house. It's showtime on the couch with Fred and the best in town. You can see it from your house. Yeah, it's showtime on the couch. Oh, oh.
Hey guys, Jebby here. Welcome to the new rule review. Okay, so today's rule we'll be looking at do not date me if you're not a T-word. So I myself am a pink lady, but the fact that I'm a he, but I like the colour pink, so it doesn't make any difference there. Okay? Right. So remember in Grease 2 when Frenchie said to Michael that Stephanie was pretty, and that you can't date if you're not a T-word. Well, it's pretty much the same. It's pretty much the same routine. Okay. Right, and so as y'all know, as we can all agree that not gonna date me will be really. So because I'm one of the pink ladies, I don't allow non-T-words to date me. As a result, if you try to date me, you'll be so. As a result, it's expected that you seek membership from T-words leader if you want to be a T-word. Okay. Alright. Right, so that's not 100. Right, so just realise that so Damien will be total. No. Okay, so just me. I need to date T-words. Yeah. Okay. Right, and so we'll do these rules every. Right, so if I now because this is the third rule, we will be restarting the new rule on Friday. Okay, so I'll go and get something for on Friday. Actually, I mean sometime in the week. Okay. Because we start the new row on Thursday. I mean upon arrival. Okay. So the reason being that it's so and that I'll just refresh it and yeah, just go from there. Okay, so I've just decided So yeah, so every time I do 3 rules, right, so 3 rules, and I okay, so yes, I'll be adding, so there'll be a bit of a collection to my tote bag. I mean, drawstring bags. Okay, so so there'll be an addition to it. Okay, as per things. Okay, so yeah, so as a result, I'll be doing that. So okay, so okay, so that's how it's going to work. Okay, right, so as a result, that's how it's going to work. Okay, so right, so yeah, so this is the rules and that. Okay, and after that will be changing to half that. So the reason why this rule is in place is because of some so when so this was it's because of group okay, and that we don't interfere. It's okay. Right, so that's how it works here. Right, and so that is how right. Right, and so as a result, if anyone tries to take me that, I'm going to a lot of trouble with that. Okay. So okay, so that is pretty much it for me. Okay, so right, so that is pretty much so that's pretty much it for today's video. Okay, and of course, if you've missed any of it or watched previous episodes, please check me out on the raw page. Okay, so that is pretty much it for today's episode. Okay, so until next time, bye for now.